Hey dolls, it's Forever Madison, and today I am here doing an install. So I want some nice hair, but I can't quite afford to cough up the $200 or more on some virgin hair. Just like before, I'm 22 and we're still getting it with the synthetic hair, so I figured let me bring you guys a video. So today I am using the Organique Master Mix. It was $24.99 at my local beauty supply store. So I've been working on this closure, and I did record a few clips, but I don't know if I'm going to use them because I'm really in this bitch struggling. And maybe I will use them because maybe you'll be struggling too. So I got it down, and I still have to sew this side, the rest of this side, but what I had to do was take 2 needles and I sewed this side down and then I sewed this side down. So this comes up, I'm going to be sewing it down once I make sure it's all the way, you know, how I want it exactly. But yeah, I just came back to show you guys. So I am moving everything out the way to finish sewing this and connect at the back. So I'm pulling it down and I'm just gonna be sewing along that line. And my stitching is not perfect, like, at all, so. Okay, so I sewed it down. This was really difficult, but it's down really good. So now I'm taking my ponytail holder and I'm taking all this hair and going to just tie it in a little ponytail. So we're gonna start with this one. So I'm doing something different this time. I'm not gonna be doing my regular sewing that I do. I'm gonna do maybe like 7 rows. I'm not really sure yet. So I'm gonna do rows of 3. So from the back of my hand, from here to here. So I'm gonna fold that. I'm gonna fold that back once more, like that. I'm gonna cut right here. So I've got my needle threaded. So I'm gonna take my needle and go through the 3 wefts and then go through my hair. So I finished.
That's how you treat.
Now it's time to keep going up. So I'm almost done. I am on the 16-inch. Right now, I've got this left, and I've got my 14-inch bundle left. So, not much at all left to go. And I'm already feeling myself. So I just finished installing the hair. So I like to wear mine like this. And of course do some layers. But I didn't style or nothing. So I'm about to get out of here. I have to go somewhere. I'll be back. And I will do my initial look and thoughts on this hair in another video. So this is the hair. I installed it yesterday morning. So it needs to be washed. It's knotting up a little bit. But this is without detangling it. This is me coming from work. So it's been doing good, but it sheds a lot. So I don't like to brush it. And if you wash your synthetic hair with shampoo, only shampoo, it should be fine. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. We'll definitely talk, ladies, okay?